Before you hit the road, tech prep is your new bestie. Think of your devices as your festival buddies. You wouldn't let your friends go out without looking their best, right? Same goes for your tech. Software updates. These are like the VIP passes for your devices. They get you past the bouncer and keep the party crashers, also known as viruses, out. Passwords. Make them long and strong, like the line for the porta potties, but way more secure. Social media smarts. Share your excitement, but keep the deets vague. It's like playing hide and seek with potential party poopers. On the way there, your digital road trip. Playlist perfection. Download your tunes before you leave. Streaming on the go is like trying to dance in a crowded tent. Possible, but why struggle? Map it out. Use your GPS, but don't broadcast your route. It's like telling everyone you've got the last bag of ice. Suddenly, you're super popular for all the wrong reasons. Ticket time. Don't let your money do a stage dive. Private Wi-Fi. Buying tickets on public Wi-Fi is like changing clothes in the middle of the crowd. Not the best idea. Payment protection. Use credit cards or payment apps with buyer protection. It's like having a bouncer for your wallet. During the festival, keep your tech as safe as your sunglasses. Battery life. Bring a power bank. Your phone dying mid-festival is like missing the headliner because you're stuck in line for a corn dog. Connection caution. Only connect with people you trust. Accepting random Bluetooth connections is like accepting a mystery drink from a stranger. Post-festival, the digital detox. Check your accounts. Make sure no one's been on a shopping spree with your details. It's like making sure no one's sleeping in your tent when you get back. Save passwords. If you shared any passwords, change them. It's like cleaning up after a house party. Necessary and respectful. And there you have it. The remix of staying digitally safe with a side of chuckles. Keep these tips in mind and you'll be the life of the party without any digital hangovers. Stay safe and keep grooving. The original article that inspired this fun and easy to understand guide is titled Glitter and Firewalls: How to Stay Safe This Festival Season by Emma McGowan, published on the Avast blog. A big shout out to Emma for her insightful tips on staying digitally secure while enjoying the festival vibes. You can read her article at the link listed. Remember, folks, while you're out there making memories, keep your digital self safe too. Thanks to Emma, we can all do just that with a smile. Stay safe, stay secure, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for watching and listening.